Alright everybody, what's up? Today we're going to do an unboxing. Went ahead and ordered these rotors through Summit. Old Summit Racing Summit. Got some cross drill slotted rotors from an S10. Rotor's kind of locked up, or the caliper's locked up on it. So I think it's time to go ahead and just replace them. Got my drop spindles over here. We're painting those, painting the calipers, getting everything ready to roll, get it cleaned back up again. So figured we went ahead and order these. We're going to go ahead and do a little unboxing on them, see what they look like straight out the box. Give a little comparison to the stock rotors to these ones. See what how much better these ones look, as well as, you know, the size and all that good stuff. So let's get these old ones over here. Should have had this up there first, but here's the old ones. See, they don't look horrible, but we're going to go ahead and replace them. Since we're in here already, we're going to just do it and get it over with. That's fine. My knife, it was right here. Of course, I laid it down. So let's get started. It only took about 3 days to get these here too from Summit, so it's never a long time to get anything from Summit. Packing a slip, all that good jazz that they always send you. Customer service is always real good. They always take good care of you when you have issues, so I order stuff from them every so often. And they are marked L for left, which would be driver's side, right for passengers. So this one's the driver's side. We'll take it out first. We'll unbox it. Get a good little comparison between stock. As you can see, they're wrapped pretty good in here. Got good old bubble wrap and foam and everything. Yeah. So let's take that one out of there. We'll compare it. Put stock one that's sitting right here. Give you a good comparison. Now you do obviously have to get your bearings and sealed. I've already got those sitting up here also. We ordered those, got those at Advance, or AutoZone, I'm sorry. So I got that, got the calipers, all that good stuff. But yeah, here's a good little comparison photo from your cross drill slotted to your stock. So they should look a lot better on there. Should also perform a lot better. Help dissipate your dust and heat and all that kind of stuff. And they come with your, you know, your new studs and all that kind of stuff on there, where it's an S10. That's how they're made for the two-wheel drives. So yeah. So let's open the other one real quick then. This one's the one for the passenger side. Again, you'll note the R. The R will be the one for your passenger side. And that L will be your driver's side. Just in case you didn't notice, to help you guys out. Yeah, when they come in, they wrap your hub up and everything real good right there. So, yeah, let's get these on. And we'll get some video and pictures of them on here in a little bit. But there you go. Enjoy.